You?
Yes.
Your name Ramdan?
Yes.
Oh, I'm looking for you.
What problem?
It's a small problem. I bent my gear lever. The bike fell on this side and now it's bent inside. So now I cannot shift up because it's touching.
Okay. Okay. 10 minutes.
Okay.
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 No problem.
Good. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. Good. Oh, I have one more thing. Can you also, because I break the chain guard. It's just that this one is really tight. I couldn't remove that one. But I think it's better if it's gone. Just this one. So I asked him if he could remove these two parts which were still left from my chain guard. That one and on that side because they were really tight. But now I think he's going to make me a new chain guard. I think that's the idea. He was like, yeah, how far do you want it? So let's see.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, something like that, yeah.
Excuse me, where are you from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah. You like my bike?
It's great.
Good bike?
It's wonderful.
Are you from here?
Yes, exactly.
What do you do here? You work in this shop? Or?
No, I'm a teacher of English.
Aha. Well, what you doing here then now?
Like,
Just
I'm just like
relaxing.
I just came here to visit my friend.
Ah, okay.
His father owns this shop.
Ah, okay. I see. Nice. Okay. I got a new chain guard. Look at that.
Please, ماشي غير كنا. دوت جاي.
I think only about half the width only. Maybe this way.
أتبغى دريس كتغرق. لا تبغى. Its work is Morocco, eh?
Ah.
Okay.
Okay. Check out my brand new chain guard. Custom made. Look at that. Masalama. Here's my hero. Okay, I am, cleaning air filter. I noticed.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. 2 big holes. So I think
Polyester. Okay.
A taupe.
That's all.
Okay, no problem.
no problem.
No problem.
Oh, I love it. No problem. Right, back to the workshop we go. Yeah, I just need a temporary solution so I can keep riding, and then yeah, see if I can order a new airbox. Oh, this rain is real. I'm not sure what happened with my tablet. It's all flipping out in Chinese.
Oh.
Heavy, huh? Okay, this is the workplace now. Oh, this one. No, 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 only one. واحد. So to get to the airbox we need to, well, Ramdan needs to take all this stuff off. Duct tape, yeah? Step 1, duct tape. Okay. What is this? Poly. Polyester? Okay. Okay. Step 2, polyester. Step 3, another bottle. Okay, a little bit of that. Doing some proper chemistry down here. Oh. Okay. What is this? What's that?
This is polyester.
Polyester.
حتى يومين. وأمة مسلمة خير من مشركة ولو أعجبتك.
So he puts the polyester inside.
خير. بشير رمضان. بشير رمضان.
Okay.
بشير رمضان. يا. بس كتني سوتها في يرسكلو ما كتكتبوش.
Okay.
أريمك الخمسة. لا بعدين معلومة هي أريمك.
No more holes. Okay, so the hole is closed, or both the holes are closed. And he also fixed something on my side panel. It had also 2 holes, but that was unrelated. They were pretty much already there when I reached Alaska, but I couldn't get a new side panel. Otherwise I would have wanted to replace that side panel, but I couldn't. So that was an old damage that they also fixed now. But of course the main thing was the 2 holes in my airbox. It's fixed. He first tried to get the whole airbox out. That's why he dismantled a lot of Alaska, but I think in the end they decided it was too difficult to get the airbox out, so they filled it from within. So now he's just going to put everything together. It needs to dry for about 30-40 minutes, I think. We have the motorbike shop right here, and then on the left we have the tea shop. Atay. Atay ملح. ملح. أتاي ملح. شكرا. Got food. No. Now fixed. Now everything fixed. Okay. Saha. Thank you. Thank you, huh? Good luck. Good luck in good night. Good luck in Italy. Ciao. Masalema.